Opening shot of a person struggling to get out of bed in the morning, looking tired and unhappy. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and overweight? Do you want to lose those first 10 pounds but don't know where the person sitting at a table, surrounded by fast food and junk food? We know it can be overwhelming trying to navigate the world of diets and weight loss programs. The person at the gym, working out with a personal trainer. That's why we're excited to announce our Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop. With the guidance of certified trainers and nutritionists, we'll show you how to make sustainable lifestyle changes that will help you reach your weight loss goals. The person looking happy and confident? Don't wait any longer to take control of your health. Join us for our Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop and start seeing results today. The workshop name, date and time. Sign up now. Link in the description. Please like and subscribe the channel for more update.